Welcome to Microbe World. Today we explore the fascinating microscopic universe to understand a truly cunning, invisible enemy among us. Deep inside the human body, an endless invisible war rages on between our biological defenses and dangerous invading foreign pathogens. For millions of years, our immune system has evolved into a highly complex military network designed to protect our health. This internal army relies on a sophisticated intelligence system that constantly learns and adapts to identify every new biological threat. Whenever a new virus enters the bloodstream, our defensive cells study its unique physical structure to create specific chemical weapons. These customized weapons, known as antibodies, act like perfectly shaped puzzle pieces that lock onto the surface of the invader. Once the antibodies attach themselves to the viral surface, they signal the heavy attack cells to destroy the trapped enemy. After the battle is won, specialized memory cells keep a permanent record of the defeated pathogen for future protective reference. These memory cells carry chemical wanted posters circulating throughout our entire circulatory system to prevent any future surprise viral attacks. Thanks to this brilliant biological memory, we usually recover from infections and remain immune to the exact same virus strain. We spent immense biological energy and medical effort building up this robust defensive wall against the original coronavirus outbreak strain. Vaccines help train our internal guards, providing them with clear pictures of the dangerous spike proteins found on the virus. For a while, our immune system successfully recognized and eliminated the invaders before they could cause any serious bodily harm. But the microscopic world is never static, and viruses possess a terrifying ability to randomly mutate and change their shapes. Deep in the shadows of the microscopic realm, a new and highly advanced viral variant began to slowly take form. Scientists named this new mysterious enemy BA.3.2, a highly deceptive pathogen with incredible stealth invasion capabilities. This particular strain did not just undergo minor changes, it executed a massive structural overhaul of its entire outer shell. Researchers describe this radical transformation as a complex molecular version of extreme plastic surgery performed on a microscopic biological level. The primary goal of this viral plastic surgery is to completely alter the physical appearance of the dangerous spike proteins. By changing its external shape, the new variant hopes to become completely invisible to our highly trained cellular security guards. Genetic sequencing revealed that this cunning pathogen has accumulated more than 70 distinct mutations across its entire viral genetic code. Each tiny mutation acts like a subtle physical alteration, slowly shifting the three-dimensional structure of the viral surface proteins. Imagine a known criminal getting a completely new face, different hair, and altered fingerprints to easily bypass modern security scanners. This is exactly what the virus has achieved on a molecular scale, creating a perfect biological disguise for silent invasion. The mutated spike proteins no longer fit into the specific chemical locks of the antibodies we worked so hard producing. When this disguised virus first enters the human respiratory tract, it inevitably encounters the vigilant, patrolling white blood cell guards. The defensive cells approach the newly arrived pathogen, carefully inspecting its surface structures to determine if it poses a threat. The guards hold up their chemical wanted posters, comparing the old spike protein images with this newly mutated physical entity. Because the 70 mutations have drastically changed the viral face, the immune cells find absolutely zero match in their databases. Believing this strange new particle is completely harmless, the security forces simply move along, leaving the dangerous enemy completely unchallenged. This catastrophic failure of recognition allows the viral particles to float freely through the bloodstream without triggering an immune attack. Bypassing the first major line of defense is a massive victory for the variant, but its deceptive tricks continue further. Even if a virus manages to evade the roaming antibodies, the act of invading a host cell usually creates problems. Breaking through a cellular membrane is typically a violent biological process that generates a significant amount of microscopic chemical noise. Healthy human cells contain a special emergency backup system designed to detect this specific type of violent forced entry immediately. When a normal virus breaks in, the damaged cell rapidly releases specialized warning molecules called interferons into the surrounding environment. These interferon signals act like extremely loud biological fire alarms, screaming for immediate help from the surrounding immune defense network. The alarm instantly activates nearby defensive cells, causing them to rush toward the infection site to contain the spreading danger. But our master of stealth has evolved a truly terrifying countermeasure to completely neutralize this critical cellular fire alarm system. Through precise genetic mutation, the virus has deliberately cut out the specific sections of its own code that cause noise. By discarding these noisy genetic fragments, the pathogen ensures that its forced entry into the host cell remains entirely undetected. It slips through the outer cellular membrane as smoothly and quietly as a phantom passing through a solid brick wall. The infected cell, completely unaware of the deadly breach, fails to release any interferon warning molecules into the surrounding tissue. With the primary guards fooled and the emergency alarms completely disabled, the virus gains unrestricted access to our vital organs. It floats gently down the human respiratory tract, seeking out the soft and vulnerable tissues lining the throat and lungs. Once firmly attached to a suitable target cell, the silent invader injects its deadly genetic payload directly into the core. The virus immediately hijacks the internal biological machinery of the host cell, transforming it into a dedicated viral manufacturing factory. Thousands of new viral particles are assembled within minutes, draining the stolen energy and vital resources from the dying host. Because there are no chemical alarm bells ringing, the neighboring cells remain completely relaxed and vulnerable to the impending invasion. The newly constructed viruses burst out of the destroyed cell and quickly spread to infect all the surrounding healthy tissues. This silent replication cycle repeats over and over again, allowing the viral population to grow exponentially without any immune interference. Millions upon millions of stealthy viral copies now occupy the respiratory system, quietly preparing to spread to the next victim. A simple cough or a quiet sneeze is all it takes to launch these invisible invaders into the open air. By the time the human body finally realizes that a massive infection is underway, the critical golden window has closed. The immune system suddenly wakes up to a full-scale biological nightmare, desperately scrambling to mount a delayed defensive response. White blood cells frantically flood the infected lungs, causing severe inflammation and dangerous fluid buildup in the delicate air sacs. This chaotic and delayed reaction is exactly what makes the hidden stealth strategy of this viral variant so incredibly dangerous. The rapid global spread of this pathogen highlights the terrifying efficiency of molecular disguise and genetic silencing in modern biology. Scientists around the world are continuously studying these microscopic tactics to stay one step ahead in this evolutionary arms race. Advanced laboratory techniques allow researchers to closely monitor every single genetic change that occurs within the viral population over time. By understanding exactly how the virus alters its appearance, medical experts can design smarter vaccines that predict future structural mutations. New therapeutic drugs are also being developed specifically to bypass the viral camouflage and artificially trigger the suppressed interferon alarms. This incredible scientific effort represents our best hope for finally defeating these master illusionists of the microscopic disease-causing world. The human body is a miraculous fortress, but it requires constant updates to defend against such highly adaptable genetic enemies. Every time we catch a cold or fight a fever, this epic battle of deception and detection plays out inside. The story of this particular variant serves as a powerful reminder of the relentless and unforgiving nature of viral evolution. It teaches us that we can never truly lower our guard when dealing with an enemy that constantly reinvents itself. As we continue to explore the hidden depths of cellular biology, we uncover even more astonishing secrets of microscopic warfare. The intricate dance between host and pathogen has shaped the course of human history and will determine our biological future. We must remain eternally vigilant, supporting scientific research and embracing new medical technologies to protect our vulnerable global human population. The microscopic battlefield is vast, and the invisible enemies we face are constantly searching for new ways to break through. But our collective knowledge and determination provide a powerful shield against even the most deceptive and dangerous biological threats imaginable. Understanding the enemy is always the crucial first step toward achieving a lasting victory in this endless war for survival. By shining a bright scientific light onto these dark microscopic mysteries, we slowly strip away the terrifying power of disease. The stealthy variant thought it could hide forever, but modern science has finally exposed its brilliant molecular disguise to everyone. Armed with this vital knowledge, we can confidently rebuild our biological defenses and prepare for the next inevitable viral challenge. Our immune system will learn, adapt, and eventually overcome this invisible ghost, just as it has done for countless generations. The resilience of the human body remains one of the most extraordinary and beautiful phenomena in the entire natural world. We hope this deep dive into molecular biology has given you a profound new appreciation for your own internal guardians. Stay curious, keep learning, and always remember that a massive hidden universe exists right inside your very own beating heart. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible microscopic journey through the fascinating hidden wonders of human biology. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching another exciting and educational episode of Microbe World.